In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tickets in HubSpot CRM effectively. Tickets in HubSpot are a fantastic tool for managing customer inquiries and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks in your customer service process. Whether you're dealing with support requests, complaints, or other customer interactions, using tickets can streamline your workflow and improve customer satisfaction. Let's dive into how to get started with using tickets in HubSpot. First, you'll want to navigate to the trial guide in your HubSpot account. This is where we begin the process of managing and creating tickets. If you're familiar with navigating HubSpot, this step should be a breeze. If not, simply follow the links provided or use your search function to get to the trial guide. Once you're there, find and click on the Tickets section. This is the central hub for managing all your customer tickets. Here you can view existing tickets, change their status, and create new ones. After clicking on Tickets, look for the Create button. This is how you'll start a new ticket. Clicking Create opens up a new form where you can input details about the customer's inquiry. When you do this, you'll be prompted to add a new ticket name. Be sure to choose a name that properly reflects the nature of the request or issue to ensure easy identification later on. At this stage, there is an option to edit the form for your needs. By clicking Edit this form, you can customize the fields based on the information most relevant to your business. This flexibility allows you to capture the specific details you need for every inquiry. Once you have your form field set, you'll want to update the ticket status. The status helps your team track where a request stands in your resolution process, for instance, whether it's new, in progress, or closed. Next, move over to the Ticket Description field. Here you want to input any relevant details or context about the issue. This information is crucial for whoever handles the ticket, providing them with a clear understanding of the situation right from the start. It's a good practice to be as descriptive as possible to avoid delays or miscommunication. Finally, don't forget about the Source field. Indicating where the ticket originated from, such as email, phone, or live chat, can provide valuable data for assessing your customer support channels. By setting up and utilizing these tickets in your HubSpot CRM, you ensure each customer concern is addressed in a timely manner. This efficient organization not only enhances productivity, but also contributes to a better overall experience for your customers. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your customer support workflow.